Hi, today in front of me Nokia T21 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And by this way we just created the new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to give a name to this folder, like here for example the Google one, or just to rename it, you should just click once on the name and enter the new one. Then just tap to OK, and we can see that we just successfully give a name to our folder. If you want to move this folder on the screen or between the screens, you just should hold it and drag it to the left or to the right side of the screens. Just if you want to create a new screens with a folder, you should make it by this way. So just to remove the application from here, you should just hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you just should hold it and drag it to remove icon. And also, if you want to remove all of the applications with a folder together in one click, you should just hold it and by the same way drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.